Vous allez commander quelque chose parce que sinon je vais devoir libérer la table. Oh, les Américains.
What did she just say? Well, my friend said we've got pretty sure she said she loved me. Go talk to her. No. Go, honey. Go talk to her.
У камина в 6 утра разбитая душа, и все твои обещания пустота.